Hello guys, I'm creating my pleats, and to be sincere with you, I really do not know how to form these pleats when when the scarf is already placed on my head. So what I do is I always take out time to form these pleats on my legs. If you look well, I've made like 6 to 7 pleats here, and then I'll now transfer it to my head. That way it's very easy for me to do it. If I have to do it on my head, I'm not very sure about how the outcome will be. So I'm just doing a simple wrap today, and the design of this wrap will be at the back part. So my name is Calista Star Beauty. If you're new to my channel, I do head wrap tutorials on weekly basis, and I also do little tips on our natural hair and different ways you can braid your hair, style your hair, and all of that. So if you're new to this channel, why not touch the subscribe button and hit on that notification bell so that you will get notified each time I upload a video. Enjoy the rest of your video and the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, and for subscribing. See you in my next video. Love you.